Clean the lamp frame surface to ensure it is free of dust. Arrange the mosaic glass pieces in the material kits on a flat surface, according to the pattern shown on the previous page. Note that the 6 flower shapes are staggered up and down. Feel free to create your own design. Twist off the glue cap and remove the white inner isolation plug. Cut the tip of the glue tube. Apply glue in a spiral pattern over a small section. Do not wear gloves. Carefully pick up each mosaic piece and place it onto the glue, following either the kit's standard pattern or your own design. Press each piece firmly for 5 to 10 seconds to ensure strong adhesion before placing the next. Embrace slight misalignments. They add unique handmade charm. Work slowly throughout this entire step to allow the glue to dry properly and prevent beads from sliding. Apply sufficient glue to small areas where beads will be placed. Each time, sprinkle a small amount 6 to 8 beads onto the adhesion area. Press firmly. Press each group for several seconds to ensure secure adhesion. Avoid clustering beads together to prevent poor adhesion and falling. Note: steps 6 to 8 are optional and may be skipped. Wear gloves. Pour grout powder into a bowl. Slowly add water while stirring. Achieve a toothpaste-like consistency. Do not pour water directly. Spread the grout evenly, then scrape off excess using fingers or a scraper. Dampen and wring the sponge until slightly moist. Each time you soak the sponge, be sure to squeeze it out thoroughly. Too much water can dissolve the adhesive. Gently wipe to remove residue and ensure all tiles and beads remain fully visible and shiny. Attach the lampshade to the base, then install the top component. Light up your masterpiece. All lampshades are customizable, turning your creativity into visible light.